Alright, today I have here is the X68. Got a little carbine, got the Sterling self-defense kit, and we also got a power air chamber from Sterling self-defense. So we're gonna try it out. Got his barrel and his valve as well, power valve, full kit. And we got a side mounted tank because this is just way too long to stick on the back for stock. So let me just get this mounted. I got the first two Grimberg Joules, and then I got two 9.9ers I'm gonna fire. Alright, so alrighty, so turn the graph on. Alright, so gassed up. First two Joules. $703. 712.